Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Zobmio, Z-O-B-M-I-O dashcam for your car. It's the front and rear 4K and 2.5K 5 GHz Wi-Fi dashcam with GPS. 2.0 inches IPS screen, 170 degrees wide angle, a dual car camera with 24-hour parking monitoring, super night vision, WDR, G-sensor, loop recording, 64GB SD card. Wow, that's a nice dashcam set here. The dashcam simultaneously captures the road in detail with 4K 2160p resolution at the front side and 2.5K at the rear side. And the single dashcam at the front, which must be unplugged. The rear view camera can work with 4K Ultra HD with 2160p 30 frames, with a 170 degrees wide angle lens and a large aperture of 1.8 and WDR night vision. Clear shots can be taken even in low light conditions to ensure that every angle is covered and nothing is overlooked. The dashcam for our automobile captures every detail on the road, including license plates and traffic signs, making it an important tool to provide evidence in a case of an accident. And the front and rear dashcam has state-of-the-art 5 GHz Wi-Fi and a free app. The video download speed reaches up to 8 megabit per second, while the 2.4 GHz option offers an only 2 MB per second option. This significantly reduces the download time and delay in video playback. The integrated GPS records the driving speed, the route, and the latitudes and longitudes in real time, so we can track our ride on maps via the app or the GPS player. The WLAN only has an effective range of 3 up to 5 meters. Beyond this distance, no connection can be possible, of course. So it's only a local thing. And loop recording and a 64GB SD card. The Zobmio H30 front rear dashcam auto features intelligent loop recording that ensures that we never miss a moment, as it automatically overwrites the oldest files when the memory is full. This dual dashcam comes with a 64GB SD card, so we can start recording instantly and continuously without worrying about the storage. Equipped with a high-quality aperture of 1.8 and a 6-layer optical lens, the WDR technology of this dashcam improves the image sharpness in low-light conditions. And we have parking monitor mode. The Zobmio dashcam has a 200 mAh lithium battery. While we are at the parking function, it is activated and the ignition of the vehicle will switch off, and the dashcam detects a strong vibration or a shock. It will automatically start recording a 15 seconds emergency video. This footage is blocked to prevent important footage from being overwritten on the microSD card. This feature provide reliable protection against potential incidents. The Zobmio dashcam, it comes with a car charger and a hardwire kit, so no additional purchase are required for that. And the 4K dashcam is equipped with a powerful G-sensor that detects collisions or sudden events and captures even mirror shocks. If the G-sensor detects an impact, the dashcam automatically locks the corresponding footage, though that important shots are not overwritten during the loop recording. This feature provides reliable protection by securing the important video environment. The event of an accident, making it an indispensable safety precaution for driving. And easy installation. With its slim front design, the 2 inches IPS screen and the Type-C interface, which the dashcam won't obstruct our vision while driving thanks to the removable design and the 90 degrees adjustable function, installation and removal are really easy. In addition, the rear view camera can be rotated 360 degrees and thus offers a maximum flexibility. This dashcam is really cool because it comes with a lot of features which other brands makes an optional parts out of it. Here it comes in one set with a good resolution, with a good loop function and a good set. Thanks for watching and please subscribe me, give me positive feedback and I hope to see you again on my channel. Now let's get on the road. Soon.